Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Vani Pet Product Sale. We go to the instruction file. So assignment title is Excel Vani Pet Product Sale. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. So we can move to the step number one. So step number one is open the file name student Excel Vani pet supply pet product sale XLS downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the step number two. So step number two is the change the workbook theme to Vapor Trail. If the Vapor Trail theme is not available on your computer, in the themes gallery click or press browse for the themes and then select them for your downloaded student data file. Go to the Excel worksheet and go to the page layout tab. Click a theme group and apply the Vapor Trail theme. Apply the Vapor Trail theme. Vapor Trail theme is click OK. Then the select and then from your download student data file. So step number two is a complete. We can move to the step number three. Step number three is in a cell B3 use the fill handle to fill the month May and June in the range C3 to D3. Copy the range C3 to D3 and paste the range. Select the cell as C3 to D3 and use the fill handle to fill the month May and June. April and type the my month and fill handle is June. So step number three is a complete. We can move to the step number four. So step number four is a merge and center the title in the cell A1 across the range A1 to F1 and then apply the title cell style. Merge and center the worksheet subtitle across the range A2 to F2. Copy the range A1 to F1 and paste the range. Selected row is A1 to F1 and apply the merge and center. Go to the home tab and go to the alignment group, click a merge and center and apply the title cell style. Go to the home tab and style group, click a cell style, apply the title cell style. Merge and center worksheet subtitle across the range A2 to F2. Copy the range and paste the range as Excel worksheet and A2 to F2 is selected. Go to the home tab and Go to the alignment group, click margin center, and then apply the heading 1 cell style. Go to the cell style group, click a cell style, and apply the heading 1 cell style. Apply the heading 1 cell style. So center the column title in the range B3 to F3. Copy the range B3 to F3 and paste the range. Press enter and center the column title in the range B3 to F3. Go to the home tab, click alignment group, click a merge and center. Click OK. Sorry. Go to the instruction file and center the column title. Alignment group and click the center the title. So step number 4 is the complete. We can move to the step number 5. So step number 5 is select a column A and then by using the column width command set the column width to 22. Select the column B to F and then by using the column width command set the column width is 14. In the range B7 to D7, enter the monthly sale figure, PAT supplement and RX April, May and June. Select the column A and then using the column width is 2022. Right click and column width 2022, click OK. Select the column B to F and then by using the column width command set the column width is 14. So select the column is B to F. Select the column B to F and using the column width command set the column width is 14. Click right click and column width is 14. Click OK. In the range B7 to D7, enter the monthly sale figure and PAT supplier RX for April, May, June. Copy the range B7 to D7. PAT supplement and RX. So type the value is April. Copy the value and April is a B7 cell is a paste the value and my value is a copy the value and my cell is selected cell is C7 and paste the value. Press enter. So next is a June value. Copy the value and June column is selected cell D7 and paste the value. Press enter. So step number 5 is a complete. We can move to the step number 6. So step number 6 is a In a cell B8 home tab, use the auto sum button. The sum the April is sale, copy the resulting formula across the cell C8 to D8. The sum May is monthly sale, June is a monthly sale. In the cell E4, use the auto sum button, sum the dog food sale and copy the formula down through E5 to E8. Insert the formula in cell B8, go to the Excel worksheet and selected cell is B8. Go to the home tab and use the auto sum button, sum the April sale. Go to the home tab and click the auto sum and click a sum B4 to B7. Press enter button and copy the resulting formula across to cell C8 to D8. Copy the formula C8 to D8. Sum the May monthly sales and then June the monthly in a cell. In a cell E4, use the auto sum button, sum the dog food sales. Copy the formula E5 to E8. So insert the formula in a cell E4. Type is equal to, sorry, use the auto sum button. Go to the home tab and go to the editing group, click auto sum and click a sum button and press enter. Use the auto sum button to the sum dogs and copy the formula E5 to E8. Go to the Excel worksheet and copy the formula E5 to E8. So step number 6 is a complete. We can move to the step number 7. Step number 7 is apply the heading for cell style to the row title and column title. Apply the title cell style to the total range is B8 to E8. Apply the outfit column A. Apply the heading for cell style, row title and column title. Heading for cell style is row title and column title. Apply the heading for cell style. Go to the home tab and go to the cell style group and click a cell style. Apply the heading for column title and apply the row title. Apply heading for cell style. Go to the home tab and style group, click a cell style and apply the heading for cell style. Apply the total cell style, the total range is B8 to E8. Copy the range and paste the range. Apply the total cell style in the range B8 to E8. Go to the home tab and cell style group. Apply the total cell style and apply the auto fit column A. Select the column A and double click auto fit column A. So step number 8 is 7 is complete. We can move to the step number 8. So step number 8 is apply the accounting number format to the first row of cell figure and the total row and apply the comma style to the remaining cell figure. Apply the accounting number format to the first row cell and total row. First row, apply the accounting number format, go to the home tab and number group, click accounting number format. Apply the accounting number format and next is a and cell figure and the total row, first row and the total row. Select the total row and apply the accounting number format. Apply the comma style to the remaining cell figure. Apply the comma style remaining cell figure. Apply the comma style. So step number 8 is complete.